Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the k-mean clustering algorithm. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in machine learning or artificial intelligence and you want to learn about it. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, k-mean clustering is a unsupervised learning algorithm that is used to solve the clustering problem in machine learning or data science. So now we shall discuss it in detail. The k-mean clustering algorithm. Basically, k-mean clustering is an unsupervised learning algorithm which groups the unlabeled dataset into different clusters. Here k defines the number of predefined clusters that need to be created in the process, as if k is equal to 2 there will be 2 clusters, and for k is equal to 3 there will be 3 clusters, and so on. It is an iterative algorithm that divides the unlabeled dataset into k different clusters in such a way that each dataset belongs to only one group that has similar properties. It allows us to cluster the data into different groups, and a convenient way to discover the categories of groups in the unlabeled dataset on its own without the need for any training. It is a centroid based algorithm where each cluster is associated with a centroid. The main aim of this algorithm is to minimize the sum of distance between the data point and their corresponding clusters. The algorithm takes the unlabeled dataset as input, divides the dataset into k number of clusters, and repeats the process until it does not find the best cluster. The value of k should be predetermined in this algorithm. The k-mean clustering algorithm mainly performs two tasks. Determine the best value for k center points or centroids by an iterative process. Assign each data point to its closest k center. Those data points which are near to the particular k center create a cluster. Hence, each cluster has data points with some commonalities, and it is away from other cluster. If you just see this diagram, so this is an example of k clustering before k means and after k means. Okay, now how does the k-mean algorithm works actually? There are basically friends 7 steps are there. First step is that select the number of k to decide the number of clusters. Select random k points or centroids. It can be other from the input data set. Assign each data point to their closest centroid, which will form the predefined k cluster. Calculate the variance and place a new centroid of each cluster. Repeat the third step, which means reassign each data point to the new closest centroid of each cluster. If any reassignment occurs, then go to step 4, else go to finish. The model is ready. Okay, now let's try to understand the concept with an example. Friend, suppose we have two variables m1 and m2, the x and y axis scatter plot of these two variables. Okay, now let's take the number of k of clusters. For example, k is equal to 2. To identify the data set and to put them into different clusters, it means here we will try to group these data sets into two different clusters. We need to choose some random k points or centroid to form the cluster. These points can be either the points from the data set or any other point. So here we are selecting the 2 points as k points which are not the part of our data set. Okay, now we will assign each data point of the scatter plot to its closest k point or centroid. We will complete it by applying some mathematics that we have studied to calculate the distance between 2 points. So we will draw a median between both the centroids. Okay, so just see this image. Next is that basically it is clear that points left side of the linear line is near to the K1 or blue centroid, and points to the right of the line are close to the yellow centroid. Okay, so let's color them as blue and yellow for clear visualization. Now, as we need to find the closest cluster, so we will repeat the process by choosing a new centroid. To choose the new centroid, we will compute the center of gravity of these centroids and will find new centroids. Then next we will reassign each data point to the new centroid. For this we will repeat the same process of finding a median line. After that, we can see one yellow point is on the left side of the line and the two blue points are right to the line. So these 3 points will be assigned to new centroids. After that, as reassignment has taken place, so we will again go to the step 4, which is finding new centroids or K points. We will repeat the process by finding the center of gravity of centroid. After that, as we got the new centroids, so again we will draw the median line and reassign the data points. We can see in this image there are no dissimilar data points on either side of the line, which means our model is formed. As our model is ready, so we can now remove the assumed centroids. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.